Well, the biggest benefit I had having both of these done with Dr. Greene is getting back to kind of a life of normalcy, no pain, and be able to do the things that I have been able to do my entire life up to that point. Well, my name is Irv Ulbrich, and in 2016, Dr. Greene did a total knee replacement on my left knee. And then again in 2018, he did a total right hip replacement for me. It's been a few years and I feel absolutely fantastic. He explained to me that he would be doing the hip replacement via the anterior approach, which was relatively new and true to his word. And I would really say that 2 weeks after I had my hip replaced, I was up and at him 90%. A month later, I was 100%, no pain, no limits, nothing. When it comes to the knee, I have zero pain, no arthritic pain. Oh, I was totally impressed. Complete professionalism. He spent a long time with me, had his little models, showing me, went over the x-rays with me. I knew what was going on, and he made me feel at home and comfortable as to what was going on.